I need 15 grams of it.
I'm so.
I'm going to weigh my cup first. Then I'm going to zero it out.
I think
So
something's smoking.
only... Huh?
There's something smoking behind you.
Water.
Oh.
Oh, it's boiling. Is that salt? Oh my God, I just told you what it was. You gotta be able to listen.
This is so cool, my shaver.
Okay, I got a little bit too much.
So suspenseful. So I don't freak out.
So you can't go anywhere and buy this stuff. I have to order it from a chemical company.
I have to do this.
I don't remember it all.
What am I doing? Look.
Hopefully she doesn't die.
That's right.
Look.
Ray is recording.
He's sleeping.
Jerry's what? You're not Oh, he's weird. Huh? No.
You're shameless. Can't wait to see you exposed to the roof. Michelle, you gonna take your stuff off your desk or not?
They do.
Because isn't it gonna explode on your desk? But I'm talking about the stuff.
But then when
So
it
don't
goes
get smart.
down.
Right.
Like, oh, grab it. Go up, it go down. But what about the stuff that doesn't?
It's like foam.
What about the stuff that doesn't?
It's gonna go down.
And it get everywhere.
Hey, you guys might as well get used to it because chemistry doesn't, it's not something that you just do and it moves out like immediately. It's not the way it works. Okay. Now here's the part that you're really going to hate is I have to make a saturated solution of my potassium iodide. So you know when you have a sponge, or if you put salt in water, let's do that one. And you put too much salt in and you can see the salt in the bottom of the glass, right? That means that your water is oversaturated, which means that the water is made of hydrogen and oxygen atoms. And the salt is hiding in between those hydrogen and oxygen atoms. Once there's no more spaces for the salt to hide in between the hydrogen and oxygen, that's when you start seeing the salt in the bottom of the glass. So right now what I'm doing is I'm doing the same thing to this water. I'm saturating it with potassium iodide. I'm putting so much in there that it's filling up all the spaces between the water atoms. When this water is all saturated, this stuff won't dissolve anymore. There's no more room for it. This is all the kind of stuff that you're going to be learning and doing next week, starting next week. And again, it takes time. You have to be patient. Science is not something that just happens automatically. Potential fraud.
Potential.
You're going to jail.
Girl got
I'm not the one doing fraud.
Oh, she got right. She stole lies. That's
What does that sound?
it was her Apple Watch.
Oh.
Again?
So I want to get as much of this stuff melted as possible. Okay, one thing I forgot is to put a little dye in here.
Michelle, you done forgot
Why does it look like that? It look like heat.
Because there was some iodine left here.
Michelle, can I go? Oh, never mind.
It's blue Gatorade.
Oh, that looks
I
good.
don't like
It was the
All right,
moment I
here we
did
go.
what
Let's see if
happened,
this-
so.
This is gonna work.
Uh-oh.
See if Michelle.
Let's go.
I need to get scared.
Okay, a bit anticlimactic.
Yo, that's
Everybody's
scary.
Bro, why did y'all go? Why did you go?
He's still doing
They should have got on
It's still going, bro. Oh.
Make sure I think it's time to clean it up. Why you get such cold?
It's done. What is it?
If you
Okay, you laugh.
This one, you have to look really close, but
Well, you don't tell.
yeah, you can see some heat coming off of it. That means then that's what's happening. It's giving heat off. This is an exothermic reaction, which means it's giving off heat. The opposite of that is endothermic, when something sucks up heat. That would be like how you make ice cream, believe it or not.
Will it hurt me if I touch it?
Yes, it's very hot, and this stuff will stain, and after a while, you'll feel it tingling your skin. So that's why I don't let anyone do it, and I wear gloves and the glasses and the whole shoe mix. I don't want to get it in my eye or my hand.
Even if you touch it through the glove.
No, if I touch it with the gloves on, it won't stain me, but it's hot. It
Michelle,
feels just like soap bubbles.
Can I
Yo, I
try?
can
No,
Can you feel the warmth through it?
Yes.
It smells like
very
bubbles,
hot.
y'all. Y'all smell bubbles?
Very hot.
I smell burning. I think you got some burnt stuff on it.